If you are looking for destination ideas for your 2025 travel calendar, considering a roundup of the world's safest and peaceful countries is a great place to start. In a world where safety is a key factor in choosing where to live, work, or travel, it's essential to know which countries stand out for their security, peaceful environment, and overall safety standards. With advancements in technology, global cooperation, and an increasing focus on public well being, 2025 has seen a rise in certain nations solidifying their reputation as safe havens. Here is a look at some of the safest and peaceful countries in the world indicated by the Global Peace Index 2024 survey. Global Peace Index GPI is a report produced by Australian-based NGO Institute for Economics and Peace, which measures the relative position of nations and regions' peacefulness. It is a composite index measuring the peacefulness of countries made up of 23 quantitative and qualitative indicators, each weighed on a scale of 1 to 5, like crime, security, political instability, terrorism, etc. The lower the score, the more peaceful the country is. Now, getting back to the list, here are the most peaceful and safe countries to travel in 2025. Iceland. Because of its exceptional blend of low crime rates, high social cohesiveness, and a stable political climate, Iceland stands out as one of the safest countries in the world. Both residents and tourists share a general feeling of security that is influenced by these elements. Iceland is a great destination for anyone looking for both calm and adventure because of its amazing scenery, dynamic culture, and climate. Ireland. Ireland is another beautiful destination that is famed for its friendliness and general safety. Ireland offers a blend of gorgeous scenery and quaint cities. Travelers do not need to know that they should be ready to face a bit of difficulty in driving on tight roads, though. Ireland is still among the safest and friendliest travel destinations in Europe without any doubt. Austria, one of the most visited countries in Europe. Austria is also one of the safest, making it a popular stress-free destination for European and international travelers. There are multiple reasons for such popularity. The crime rates are low. Political stability is a key feature, with Austria known for its well-functioning democracy and peaceful environment. Terrorism threats are uncommon here. The infrastructure is exceptional, featuring efficient public transport, clean roads, and modern healthcare facilities. New Zealand. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and friendly locals, New Zealand offers a safe and serene environment for travelers. Its geographic isolation and preparedness make it resilient to global instability and natural disasters. With plenty of adventure to be had, travelers from all over the world find New Zealand to be a secure and friendly destination because of its low crime rate, stable political system, efficient law enforcement, breathtaking natural beauty, outdoor activities, and well-developed tourist infrastructure. Singapore. Singapore is a city that sets the bar high for urban efficiency and safety, being among the cleanest and safest in all of Asia. This island country offers visitors a hassle-free vacation by combining stringent rules, well-maintained infrastructure, and a rich culinary scene. Singapore's reputation for safety and orderliness is largely attributed to its stringent rules and regulations. The city on the whole benefits from this emphasis on law and order in terms of safety and security. Travelers looking for an easy and safe trip choose Singapore because of its strict regulations. Switzerland. Apart from being one of the most beautiful and sought-after tourist destinations, Switzerland grabs a position in this list at number 6. With well-planned cities and first-rate public transit, visitors, however, come here to believe such places still exist. Serious crime levels are low here, however, there are petty crimes still on the rise. Take care at tourist spots and on transport, including overnight trains. Portugal. Portugal's reputation as a serene haven in Europe makes it one of the safest travel destinations in 2025. With its low crime rates, political stability, and warm hospitality, it is a paradise for travelers. Portugal's gorgeous coastline, ancient towns, pleasant temperature, and hospitable people make it a popular travel destination. Denmark. Denmark is considered one of the safest countries not just only in Europe but in the world. Denmark tops the lists as one of the most peaceful and prosperous countries in the world. The country enjoys low crime rates and democracy with great political stability and high levels of tolerance. Denmark is one of the few countries where people report feeling safe at any time of the day or night, even for children. Denmark has a high level of equality and strong sense of common responsibility for social welfare. Slovenia. Slovenia is a hidden treasure in Central Europe. Sandwiched between Italy, Austria, Hungary, and Croatia, it offers visitors a varied scenery that varies from towering Alpine Alps to the glistening Adriatic Sea. This little but gorgeous country is praised for having its all-natural beauty, recreational activities, and friendly, safe atmosphere. Malaysia. Malaysia is hailed as one of the world's safest nations, garnering praise for its strong security protocols and low crime rate. Provides a peaceful blend of customs and civilizations, all supported by a strong commitment to security and stability. Malaysia, known for its commitment to preserving a safe environment for both locals and tourists. Time when many countries are facing heightened tensions, safety while traveling is more important than ever. These destinations scored highly on factors like low crime rates, robust infrastructure, and inclusivity for all travelers. However, you can do your own research before making your choice.